Hi guys, here we are at Uttoxeter foot level crossing in Staffordshire with Spike Ridge. She's going down. Finally. Hear that siren? That siren it makes like a little sound, but like really quiet, and it hardly works. No wonder it's grey. But the old alarm over there fully works. Anyway, now the time is 13:07. The next train going over this foot crossing, I should say, will be the one called DMU East Midlands train service from Derby to Crewe. So she'll be coming from that direction. This crossing is controlled by that signal box there, and I think not the foot crossing. And I think the Uttoxeter crossing just up the line is also controlled by the signal box. Came here today just because I felt like it. Dad was bored, and I said, like, I just want to come up here, so yeah, so I did really. Here, she has metal skirts as well. This is rare. That's what Joe mentioned in his video when he came here. She has 3-foot barriers as well, and she's quite hot. She's quite high off the ground for a 3-foot barrier. If you look, she's quite high off the ground for a 3-foot. I can fit. Oh, 15:33:74. One called the MU for train service from Derby to Crewe. Anyway, for 3-foot barrier, she's quite high off the ground. And only one alarm works on her. Wow, hearable. She has metal skirts, which is rare. Thanks guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.